This video shows real police activity and may be difficult for some viewers to watch. An armed 18-year-old opens fire on a passing car near a busy shopping center.
I still got the mail going westbound. He's trying to get a car right now. Rat tail, white shirt, blue jeans.
Seconds later, Fresno Police are in pursuit.
Where at?
What happens next unfolds in a split-second decision caught on dash cam.
He's reaching.
This incident began just after 5:30 p.m. when an officer in the area of the River Park Shopping Center heard gunfire. Security camera footage shows the suspect standing near a restaurant parking lot, firing at a passing vehicle. The round struck the vehicle, but the occupants were not injured. Hearing the gunfire, an officer ran toward the scene and broadcast the suspect's movements over the radio.
4 George 2-4, they're by the showcase center by the Ruth Chris. I still got the mail going westbound. He's trying to get a car right now. I think he's got a gun. I don't know if he dropped it. He's gonna be a white man. He's taking off from me. We're in front of the Chuck E. Cheese. He's gonna be a Hispanic male, rat tail, white shirt, blue jeans.
Moments later, the suspect crossed North Blackstone Avenue and attempted to carjack a driver in a nearby parking lot. The driver backed out of the space, pulled forward, and managed to drive away safely as the suspect moved toward the roadway. Additional officers quickly responded, locating the suspect running through the Sam's Club parking lot, still armed and reaching toward his waistband. Officers were forced to make immediate decisions knowing the suspect had already fired into traffic, posing a serious threat to public safety. As the patrol unit closed in, the officers slowed and struck the suspect, ending the threat. They promptly moved in and arrested him.
Where at? He's reaching. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Use him. You got a gun? Don't you move.
I think I'm going to with him now. Fire.
4 X-ray 21.
A loaded handgun was recovered nearby. The suspect was treated for minor leg injuries and later booked on multiple firearm-related charges.
X-ray 21. I got it.
4 X-ray 21. We have been custody and we've recovered the firearm as well. Copy. 404. Do you copy?
No officers or community members were injured. The use of force investigation remains ongoing. If you found this breakdown informative, hit like, subscribe, and check out the playlist linked on your screen for more active safety response incidents.